Welcome back to Salsa Bachata Academy. Today I will teach you how to do the box step. Let's start. This step is called the box step, so it will be very easy if you imagine that you're stepping in the corners of the box. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross. On one, step to the one corner. Go back to the other one. To the side and then forward. Like you will step in a box. Let's do this. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. The count here is not normal count. It's not 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It's the slow, the chord beat. Okay, so you will count and step, of course, on 1, on 3, 5, and 7. Okay, let's try once again. Basic step. 1, 2, 3, start. 5, 6, 7. Cross on 1. Go back 3, side 5, and then forward on 7. One more time. Cross 1, 3, side 7. Basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, let's go. 5, 6, 7. Cross 1. Go back, side, forward. Cross, back, side, counts. 1, 3, 5. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So everybody, that was it. Thank you for watching my tutorial. And also, if you would like to see more tutorials like this, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. I will notify you every time I upload a new video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.